Hello and welcome to Soft Expert. In today's short video I will be showing you how to install and set up WordPress on 123 range. And basically this is a domain and hosting provider based in UK. So if you are planning to have a business started in UK, you can consider this hosting. And if you go to their official website, which is this one, here you can find details about domains. So you can get a domain for your website, you can get cheap domains, domain transfer and so on. And on their website they are offering you a website builder, an online shop builder, and you can host your emails in their hosting, or you can use Microsoft 365. Then under hosting you will find a common hosting, manage WordPress hosting, premium hosting and VPS. And under WordPress we have manage WordPress hosting, and that is what we will be dealing in this video. And then of course SSL certificates. So you can go to their official website and you can learn more about their features, their plans, their pricing and so on. But in the short video I'm going to cover how you can install and set up WordPress on your domain. So once you get a domain and hosting, you will be able to access your control panel. So let's go there. And under control panel you will be able to manage your website files, your WordPress installation, your domains, subdomains, databases and so on. So here let's scroll down. And under domain names you will find your domain names. So let's go there. And just to show you, we will be using this domain. And beside that you can manage domain transfer, renew your domains and so on. Let's scroll down. Here you can access your emails, your website builders and so on. And this is our hosting, WordPress hosting. So let's go there. And you can see we are using manage WordPress hosting. You can buy additional fields, and let's go there. This will take us to this page where we can see our package name and its status is active. Now to install WordPress you can just go there to manage sites. And here you will find your websites, but for now we don't have any websites. So let's click on create WP site. And how do you want to start? So if you are building this from scratch, you can use this one, or if you want to transfer an existing WordPress website to this, you can choose this one. So as we are building from start, so let's choose this one. I want to start building a brand new website. And here you can choose the website type that you want to have. So let's choose this one and we'll continue. And here you can choose the web server location. So Europe is fine because this is a UK based website. And pick a template for you, but we can use a blank one because we will install a theme later. And now you can start creating your website. So let's click on this and create a WordPress username. And here you can write a username for your WordPress and then click create site. So this will start installing WordPress. Let's wait for this. And you can see all done. Your website is now ready, automatically redirecting you in 0 seconds. So this will take you to your dashboard now. And here you can see we are in the WordPress dashboard where we can manage our website. We can install themes and plugins, and we can start building our website. Now this is a temporary domain, but once you complete your website you can go ahead and change your domain. So you can use your main domain here. And that's it. This is how you can install and set up WordPress on 123 range. And now to learn more about WordPress, themes and plugins, and how you can create a website, you can follow my channel. I have lots of videos about WordPress. There you will learn how you can start your online business. And still, if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next